Welcome! In our last video, we covered the cyber kill chain. Today, we dive into one of modern cybersecurity's most important frameworks, MITRE ATT&CK. It's the global standard for understanding adversary behavior. MITRE ATT&CK is a comprehensive knowledge base of real-world attacker behaviors collected globally. It shifts the focus from malware to consistent attacker behavior. It consists of adversarial tactics, techniques, and common knowledge. Understanding the difference between tactics and techniques is vital. Tactics are the what, the attacker's goal or objective, like initial access. Techniques are the how, the specific methods used to achieve those goals, such as phishing. Remember, tactics are objectives, techniques are methods. The ATT&CK matrix is a visual map of adversary behavior. Tactics are displayed across the top, and techniques are organized beneath each one. Each column represents a stage of attacker intent, providing a structured way to understand and detect attacker operations. ATT&CK's strength lies in its foundation of real incidents, not just theory. Worldwide security teams contribute observed attacker behaviors from threat reports, nation-state activity, ransomware operations, and attack investigations, making the framework highly practical. ATT&CK enables behavior-based detection engineering, moving beyond simple signatures. This allows teams to create detections mapped to specific attacker techniques. Examples include detecting PowerShell abuse, identifying credential dumping, and mapping detection gaps. SOC teams use ATT&CK daily, as it provides a common language to classify, prioritize, and investigate alerts. The process involves receiving an alert, mapping the activity to ATT&CK techniques, understanding the adversary's intent, and prioritizing for response. ATT&CK mapping links observed activity to specific tactics and techniques, allowing threat hunters to visualize attack progression. This practice is used to track adversary behavior, build strong detection coverage, and strengthen incident response playbooks. Beyond detection, ATT&CK is essential for purple teaming and security validation. Organizations simulate real-world attacks to validate their defenses, conduct threat hunting, perform security assessments, and track maturity improvement. ATT&CK is a global language for understanding cyber adversaries. It empowers defenders to think like attackers, build better technique-mapped detections, and operate at scale using a common framework. Next up, defense in depth and modern security architecture.